thrift store, and I am going to repurpose it and redesign it. And right here I am taking off all of the rhinestones off of the collar before I can start designing the rest of the vest. So here is the vest with all of the rhinestones off of it, and now I can start putting on my own embellishments. Butterflies are my favorite, so I have some really cute butterfly patches that I'm adding to the front of my vest, and I'm just ironing those on right now. I also make my own buttons, so I made some and I'm going to put them on the collar of my vest right now. I am hand painting Brave Girl on the back of my vest, in which I do with all of my Brave Girl clothing. So I thought this would look really cool on the back of this vest.